Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. For the new subscriber, thank you so much for coming in. For the returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are new here, please remember to hit that subscription button. It means a lot to us. And this girl who's talking to you, my name is Shem. So guys, today we are in our kitchen. We love food. We have everything that goes with the kitchen. So guys, today we are making something juicy. We are making this say bye-bye to cough and flu juice. So guys, this juice is made by, we use carrots. We are going to use our lemons and the celeries, and we are going to use the pineapples. Guys, it's so easy. And as you saw it, I started by peeling my carrots, and now I'm peeling my lemon. Just take your time, remove all the trashes, all the unnecessary things that you don't need. Just throw it away and make sure you washed everything before you start anything. I made sure I washed my celeries. I rinsed the pineapples. I rinsed everything before I start doing anything, because you know guys, we need to prepare. Because we are not cooking this, we are not boiling it. We need to make sure our health is well secured. So here, after peeling everything, I have to cut the slices of I have to start cutting the pineapples into, like, peeling it, then I have to cut the slices. Guys, I didn't do like much, but I made sure all the small work I did, it's really worth it. And remember, the first thing that you have to keep in mind here is that we don't give any side bacteria. We have to remove all the things. We have to peel everything as it's supposed to be. And guys, as you see, I'm done peeling my pineapples, and it's really look good. Guys, in China we don't have big pineapples. All the pineapples, they are kind of smaller, but yeah, they're okay. So guys, we are peeling, and here I'm chopping into like slices, because I can't put it into a juicer like this. It's so big. You have to make sure you slice it up in medium-sized slices, and yeah, you can see it's really worth it. So after here, I have to get my celeries. I have to start cutting them, go cut them into like slices, so that you won't put the celeries like that the way they are. You need to put them into different pieces, and then nothing left like than to bring your juicer here, and the juicing is that juicing by itself. Oh guys, I love this juice, and you will say bye bye, especially when it's a season changing. You really need this juice because of cold, flu, and some anxiety things. So you really need this juice. So I'm done here. I'm going to put everything in the juicer, and you are ready to see the product, the results that you're going to get. Oh my god, I can't wait. So guys, as you can see, this is the result. You have got the amazing result, and I used a fork to mix up everything so that I can get the perfect result that I'm looking for. I'm already so excited because of this juice. I really wanted to drink this juice today, and I got it. Damn. So it's not that sweet, and the reason why that I really like this juice is because it's a very good detoxing juice. You can feel the detoxing whether you when you are drinking this juice, you really feel the detoxifying things going on in your body. Guys, when you have cold flu, you really need this juice. So guys, you see, I'm going to take my first glass and I have to sip it. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to try this, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I love you so much. Bye bye.